Dr. Bressoud had made this simulator that ran cluster fault tolerance statistics. A cluster is a group of computers, and fault tolerance is how a computer deals with errors. Like if you're running an application and it crashes, how is a computer going to deal with that? Because if the operating system just shut down every single time something little happened, that'd be bad. These statistics take years to develop, but the simulator kind of looks at mathematical paradigms that are in place, and it runs these statistics in a matter of days rather than years. The problem with that is it's all run from the command line. So somebody who doesn't know how to run a command line can't really interact with this. So I wrote a web application that calls to this simulator and then gets the data back and displays it in a web browser. So that it makes it more readily available to the research community. Having this experience doing a web application for something like this, where I have to take all these different kinds of pieces and put them together so that a user can see them in a web browser, was actually a really good experience. Now I'm working on the back-end stuff, so I'm working with the simulator and kind of altering it so that it runs better and that it works with our computer cluster here. Hopefully within the next week it'll actually be working directly with each of the nodes in the cluster, getting data from them instead of all running on one computer. So you have multiple things running at the same time. So you don't have to wait for one thing to get done before you can start another. You can have like 5 or 6 or 20 applications running at exactly the same time, so you get all those results back quicker. I really hope that the research community itself can find some kind of really great use for this web application, because I think the more statistics that are run on data like this, the better that function is going to be. And also, we're hoping to go to some kind of computer science conference and present the web application and talk about the research in the paper. So I think there are a lot of different directions that it can go.